Want to create YouTube videos without recording your own voice? ElevenLabs can generate realistic AI voiceovers that sound natural and professional, making it a popular tool for faceless YouTube channels. In this guide, I'll show you how to make YouTube videos with ElevenLabs in 2026. First, write the script for your YouTube video. This could be a tutorial, explainer, review, educational video, or any other type of content. A well-written script is the foundation of a good voiceover. Next, sign in to ElevenLabs and navigate to the text-to-speech tool. This is where you'll turn your written script into spoken audio. Copy your script and paste it into the text box. Make sure punctuation and sentence structure are clear because they can affect how natural the voice sounds. Select a voice from the voice library or use a custom voice if you have one. Try listening to a few samples before deciding which voice fits your channel best. Click Generate and wait for ElevenLabs to create the audio. Once it's ready, preview the voiceover and download the file if you're happy with the result. Import the downloaded audio into your preferred video editing software. Then add visuals, images, screen recordings, stock footage, captions, and transitions to match the narration. Once the video is complete, export it in a suitable format and upload it to YouTube. Add a title, description, thumbnail, and any other details before publishing, and that's how to make YouTube videos with ElevenLabs. By combining AI-generated voiceovers with quality visuals and editing, you can create professional content without ever recording your own voice. So yeah, keep refining your workflow and start building videos faster than ever. Thanks for watching.